Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down one trade for you that happened on GBPJPY and 5-minute time frame. Plus, I want to show you the results of Gold Incubator on two different accounts. So let's get started with the results first, and then I quickly show you how we could manage to trade, manage to take this trade on GBPJPY during London session. So it's a very interesting one. So we have two live accounts that Gold Incubator is running on. The first one is this one right here with $1,245. So we just closed two positions in profit. It opened one right here and one here, closed both of them in profit, and opened another one. As you can see, we are $1 up in profit. The second one is this one, which is a $2,800 account. As you can see, this is live. We have two open positions, the same as this one, because this EA, this account started its activity a little bit earlier than the other one. That's why we have more positions opened and closed prior to current price. So as you can see, there are so many positions that got closed, and all of them were sell positions. Okay, so that's the first thing. And we are up like almost 1% for the day. Let's get into the trade that we took on GBPJPY on 5-minute time frame. Guys, I have over 140 videos on my channel, and all I talk about is a smart money concepts as order block, and they're based on imbalances like gaps. And if you don't know how to use it, I highly recommend you to watch the video that I put above this video as a card, and then you can click on it, watch the video after this, not now, and then you can fully understand the technique. So it was so let me just delete this one, guys. In order to find a high probability supply zone or a supply order block, you need to find the last bullish candle, which I did, and it was right here. See, when I find this, the next thing you need to do is to find the first candle that get out of the zone, which is this one right here. Once you found this, which is the first candle that got out of the zone, you find the next candle after that formed, which is this one. If there's a gap between this candle and this zone, it means that, so this gap is right here, right? So it makes this zone a high probability supply zone. So again, in order to find a high probability supply zone, you need to find the last bullish candle. This is the last bullish candle. And then you use your rectangle, you cover the entire candle, and then after that you'll notice that this is the first candle that got out of this zone. The next candle after that is this one. There's a gap in between. This gap itself makes this zone a high probability supply zone. Okay, so the next thing to do is to wait for the price to tap into this level, and if it gives you a good confirmation to sell, then you do it. So as you can see, this is the first candle that tapped into my zone, and then since it was a big candle, I didn't want to put my sell stop below that because the risk to reward ratio doesn't make sense. See, if I can make a profit, but who knows that the price wants to drop like that. I could do it. I could take a 1-to-1 and still be profitable based on this candle itself. But why would I do that when I see that there's a consolidation around this area, and then we have this doji candle, this beautiful doji candle? I can literally put my sell stop here, my stop loss here, and look at the risk to reward ratio right now. It's almost 1-to-6. If I want to hold it all the way down here, but if I want to take a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 up to the next support level, which is right here, then you can see that I can literally take this profit. So, but sometimes it's way better to look at the higher time frames for your TPs. So you enter on 5-minute time frame, sniper entry, but you want to see if there's any good opportunity to hold a trade on higher time frames. So that's why I switched my time frame to 1-hour time frame, and then I see where I took my trade. I don't know why I lost it, but let's see. Let me just go to 5-minute time frame. I need to do, what I should have done is that I should have done a replay, and then it's easier. And then I can switch my time frame to 1 hour, and then here we are. Okay, see guys, we have so many support levels here. So we have a support level right here, we have a support level right here, we have a support level right here. See, there's so many support levels, but you cannot just you know, take multiple positions and then close them partially around these areas. You can do it, but it's going to be a little bit risky, because if you look at it, there's so many support levels around this area that you can target, but you need to have your own target. Which one is your own target? My own target is minimum 1-to-1. If I take that, I'm happy. I'm done for the day, and then I get back to the market the next day. But if I want to take multiple positions, I divide it by 3. So let's say I want to risk 1.5%. I divide it by 3. I take 3 different trades. I take my 1-to-1 first, no matter what, it's fixed, and then I risk free my other trades. So I move the stop loss to break even once the first TP smash. Okay, so this is very, very important. And then if you want to, you know, hold it all the way to this major support level, which is right here, you can do it. So let's see how that works out. So it actually works out really well. It grabs the liquidity around this area as well. Let's see about this one. So it's almost 1-to-7 if it works. Yeah, 1-to-7 trade. Look at this, guys, it's crazy. So it's very important to have your sniper entry on 5-minute time frame and have your different TPs on different time frames, such as 1 hour, because you have major zones, major areas. And it was on Friday, so that's why the market was kind of crazy. And on Friday, the market gives us a really good opportunity most of the times. That's it, using order block and using support and resistance levels to just take our TP, not to wait for the price to tap those levels or areas and then we take our buy or sell trades. We take our TP around those areas. So it's very important. If you have any question, guys, feel free to drop your comment below this video. I'll personally get back to you as soon as possible and answer all your questions. And if you have any question regarding Gold EA Incubator, feel free to ask me, guys, and then, you know, I give you more information about it if you think that it's a good thing for you. You want to automate your trading journey. So thanks for watching this video again. Hope you have a profitable day.